Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 15th to 19th September 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as we can see 0.12% negative move, 1.35527 was the closing on Friday. So I'll be sharing my important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. Let's open our weekly chart over here. So in this weekly chart we can see a bullish candle with a small body in a small lower wick with a bit of a small to medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 35.9 or around 35 level, that is showing us or indicating us a upside or a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here I have already opened the 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So here some important support zone and resistance zone are already marked, or we have already marked during our previous week analysis, so we don't need to mark any further levels. So let's straight talk about the closing first. So here 1.35527 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.35390. Here the direct resistance is 1.35663. After direct support there is a support of 1.35069 and then 1.34667. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 1.35862 and then 1.36129. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have shared 20% discount coupon code that will help you to get 20% discount on any challenges from the first prop firm link that I have given. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. Also, I have shared a payout request and a payout withdrawal with a proof that you can also see. Also, let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative move that is around in this range, that is 1.35069 to 1.35390. In this range, I'm expecting a negative move. If you're looking for any positive move, then you can look for a positive move once 1.35663 gets breached and a 1-day candle close above this level, then we can go for 1.35862. Until and unless a 1-day candle doesn't close above this level, we won't be looking for any positive trade. A good positive move will only come once 1.35862 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above this level, then only we can see a good upside move. Remember that. Overall, my expectation is negative. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.